Welcome children, welcome to Commander Group of online classes. So yesterday we learnt about the great personality, about the famous, world famous cricketing personality VVS Lakshman. What is the full name of VVS Lakshman children? We learned the full name of VVS Lakshman is Bangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman, and he belonged to Andhra Pradesh. And you also learned that both his parents Shantaram and V. Satyabhama were doctors, and he belonged to a family of doctors. And also, as a child, he was interested in academics as well as sports. Although there were no sports person in his family, but then too, he had a strong desire to play for his country, India. And he also wanted to become a doctor. And that was the toughest moment for him. And that's why he did not understand what to do. But he got full encouragement, full support from his family, and especially his uncle, Baba Mohan, who supported him and told him to go to sports. And he chose sports as his career, and he became one of the finest batsmen in present day cricket. And he represented India in many matches at national and international level. And we also saw that the batting lineup of Indian team was very strong, in which Lakshman represented there. And also we learned that the innings of 281 against Australia at Kolkata in 2001 was rated as the best innings throughout the cricket world. So here, what does this tell us children? That how much dedicated he was towards his field, towards his cricketing career. Now we will continue from where we stopped yesterday. I told you 281 against Australia was rated as one of the best innings, and he's telling that why that innings was so important for him, not only for him but also for the entire cricket team. And that series was very special because the Indian team management as well as the Indian team players, they themselves changed their attitude and they got the confidence that they can be the best in the world. Now listen children, in a poll published in January 2016 issue of ESPN's digital magazine, the country Cricket Monthly, VVS Lakshman's masterly innings of 281 against Australia at the Eden Gardens in Kolkata was rated as the greatest test performance of the last 50 years. So in the last 50 years, this innings of 281 scored by VVS Lakshman was rated as the best innings by the monthly magazine, ESPN's digital magazine Cricket Monthly. So he got such a great credit for his innings because when he scored those runs, India was really on the verge of defeat. India was on the nimbs of defeat, but because of his innings, India reached the victory and the target. A panel with world famous cricketers, commentators and journalists participated and voted in favor of Lakshman's innings in the poll conducted by ESPN's digital magazine. So the team which conducted the poll, which conducted the voting process included world famous cricketers, commentators and journalists. All of them voted in favor of Lakshman's innings of 281, and that's why that innings was rated as the best innings in the last 50 years. Now, I told V.V. Subramaniam is taking the interview of VVS Lakshman. Now he is asking, when you look back, what were the reasons for India becoming the #1 side? So what he is telling, how did you get the confidence and what was the process? How did you reach the #1 spot? VVS is answering. It is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation which had come in 1 year. So what he is telling, that this change, our team reached the #1 spot in the cricket world. It is not a change. A transformation is change. So this transformation was not sudden and it did not come in any one single year. It took many years of hard work for us to reach to that position. It was not a sudden transformation which had come in 1 year. It all started in early 2000. So this change started in the early 2000 when Sourav Ganguly became the captain. It was that time when Ganguly was elected as the captain of the Indian cricket team. I feel lucky to have played under Sourav. So Lakshman is telling, I feel very lucky to play under such great players like Sourav Ganguly. My first captain Sachin, and he's telling my first captain although was Sachin Tendulkar. You all know children, Sachin Tendulkar, world famous batsman, and MS Dhoni. They all led by example. So what he's telling, all the three cricketers, my first captain Sachin Tendulkar, next captain Sourav Ganguly, and the third captain MS Dhoni. All three were really good leaders and they led by example. What does the meaning of led by example? Means for children that they used to never pass on orders, being the captain, you do this, you do that. No. They used to all lead. They used to first do the work and they used to tell others to follow. So they led by example themselves. Everyone was a true performer. So all the three great players, Tendulkar, Ganguly, Dhoni, all three were great leaders and they were true performers. And all of them had traits of leadership. Traits of leadership. Traits means what, children? Qualities. So all three leaders, all three captains had great qualities of leadership. Now Subramaniam is asking another question. How different was Sourav Ganguly as a captain? So what was the difference between other captains and Sourav Ganguly? Lakshman is answering, I must say that the combination of Sourav and coach John Wright was influential in changing the mindset of the Indian cricket itself. So what is he telling? The thinking or the combination of two persons, Sourav Ganguly and John Wright. You know, when Sourav Ganguly was appointed as a captain, New Zealand cricketer John Wright was the coach of the Indian cricket team. And both those persons were very influential. Very influential means they made an important mark in changing the mindset of the Indian cricket team. For it was then that we started doing well consistently. I told you children, consistently means continuously. Because from the time John Wright became the coach and Sourav Ganguly became the captain, from that time onwards, India started performing continuously well, consistently well, especially abroad, not only in our home ground, not only in India, but also in other countries. And we had some amazing talented individuals with a hunger for success. And Lakshman is telling that we also had some really good talented cricketers who were really eagerly waiting, who were really hungrily waiting for success, who played with great pride, worked really hard and showed great commitment levels. So they all the players, not only one player, whoever was there in the Indian team, worked with great commitment levels, with great dedication to make India proud in the outside world. Now Subramaniam is asking, what has been your funniest incident on the field? Means any funny incident which which would have made you laugh and which would have made others also laugh. Now Lakshman is answering well with a big smile. He is also smiling now. When Sourav and I collided while taking a single. Collided means dashed. So here he is telling, while taking a single, you know, when batting, runs are scored by the batsman. So here, Sourav Ganguly and VVS Lakshman collided while taking a single in an oval ODI. Oval is a ground in England, children. So here in oval ODI, they collided with each other while taking the run. It is still amusing. Amusing means funny. So he is telling it's really funny. Now when I look back, I only don't understand how funnily it happened. We both collided with each other and embarrassing. We sometimes feel ashamed. When I look back as to how it could have happened, I don't understand. Now also everyone over there in the stadium as well as on the field, we also laughed over there. That was very funny incident. Now also I don't understand how it could have happened. Sometimes it happens because the batsman and the runner, they are busy seeing the ball and they don't know what is going on in front of them. So he is telling that this is the funniest incident. Now again Subramaniam is asking, what was the most disappointing moment for you? Means what is very sad moment in this cricketing career for you? Lakshman is answering, there was nothing like that. I never felt sad for any incident till now. But I would feel terribly disgusted whenever I dropped a catch. Disgusted means irritated or sad. What is telling? I feel really sad, disgusted whenever I drop a catch. I would feel sorry for the bowler who puts in such a great effort and chance is flowed. That hurt me the most. Chance is flowed. When any chance is flowed, flowed means your children missed. So what is VVS Lakshman telling? I would feel very bad if if I miss the catch of any batsman, because the bowler puts in lot of effort so that he should make the batsman out. But what happens? Because of the mistake of the fielder, because of the missing of the catch of the fielder, the chance is missed. And that's why he's telling that I feel very sad whenever I miss a catch. Now Subramaniam is asking, what are your hobbies? Apart from cricket, what do you love to do? Lakshman is answering, I love to spend time with the members of my family. It gives me so much of peace. He's telling, I love to spend the time. Whenever I am free, I love to spend with my family members. It gives me a lot of peace and enjoyment. I do love reading biographies of successful individuals. I love reading stories of successful people, for they help us know how they handle different aspects in life and in sport. Because why does he love reading biographies? Because from those books he tells that he would know how those people handled both personal life, private life, as well as cricket life or sporting life, different aspects. Now Subramaniam is asking, you are a complete family man now. Outside you are a celebrity and at home a normal caring father. Means what is Subramaniam asking? Outside you are a celebrity, famous person. At home you are a normal person, a caring, loving father. Lakshman is answering, I am lucky to have such a wonderful, well-knit family with a wonderful wife. So he is telling, I am really lucky. I feel thankful. I am thankful to God for giving me such a wonderful, well-knit, well-settled family with a wonderful wife. And it's a great feeling to see the kids grow up so fast. It's a real joy to be with them. So yesterday I really enjoy being with my family members and also my children growing up so fast. Now Subramaniam is asking, who are the cricketers whom you admire? Admire means respect a lot, love a lot. Lakshman is answering, in my early days, Azhar. So what is Lakshman telling? In my childhood days, I used to admire a lot, I used to respect a lot Azhar, Mohammad Azharuddin children. He was also the captain of the Indian cricket team during the 90s. Well, Sachin is such a role model in every aspect and he really loves Sachin Tendulkar. Kapil was a great inspiration too. You all know Kapil Dev. The credit of the first World Cup which India won way back in 1983 goes to great captain Kapil Dev. So what is he telling? That I admire Mohammad Azharuddin, Sachin Tendulkar as well as Kapil Dev. Subramaniam is asking, what's your favorite cuisine? Cuisine means children, type of dish. Lakshman is answering, I am vegetarian. He's saying I am pure vegetarian. I love to taste all sorts of dishes. Sorts means types. So what is he telling? Basically I am a vegetarian, but I would love to taste all types of vegetarian dishes. Thai cuisines are my favorite. Thai means which belong to Thailand country. So the variety of cooking of Thailand are his favorite dishes. Now Subramaniam is asking, what kind of music do you normally listen to and who are your favorite singers? So he is asking what is the music which you like and who are your favorite singers. Lakshman is answering, India has been very fortunate to have seen so many great musicians and singers. So many great musicians and singers have been born in this great country India. And I love listening to Kishore Kumar. He loves listening to songs of Kishore Kumar. Children, Kishore Kumar was one of the most famous singers. In the early 60s, he was a Hindi Bollywood singer. And our own S.P. Balasubramaniam, with whom I fortunately enjoy a special personal relationship. So he's telling I love listening to music of Kishore Kumar, and also our own S.P. Balasubramaniam, our Telugu singer, with whom Lakshman is telling that I enjoy a very close, friendly relationship. Subramaniam is asking now, which TV program do you love to watch? Which is the TV program or any event you would like to watch? Lakshman is answering, generally I don't miss any big sporting events. He's telling I won't miss any big sporting events. And Wimbledon. Wimbledon is the tennis tournament played. Is one such that I love to watch without fail. So he's telling that I love to watch all sporting events, but I won't miss Wimbledon at all. And with the family members, I do enjoy watching the singing and dancing competition programs. I am amazed at the talent actually. And he's telling that I would love to watch the singing and dancing competition programs which are conducted by different TV channels. And he's telling that I am really amazed, I am really surprised at the talent of those people, children. Now Subramaniam is asking, who was your childhood hero? Means whom you owe everything, whom you are indebted to. Lakshman is answering, childhood and current hero, it is my dad, I owe him everything to him. So he's telling, my current, present hero as well as childhood hero from every time is my father. I owe everything to him. Now Subramaniam is asking, what is that you miss by being a cricketing celebrity? Lakshman is answering, I never thought of myself as a big cricketer. It's always nice to be with my family. My wife has all the qualities I look for. I have 2 wonderful kids and I am blessed to have such a family. So he's telling that I never thought myself as a celebrity and I have a wonderful family. So I don't feel that I am very big celebrity. I love to enjoy with my family members as a normal person. Subramaniam is asking, have you given thought to post-retirement plans? Means after retirement, do you have any plan? Lakshman is answering, well, I have a dream to set up a school and an academy. I have a dream to set up a school and also a sports academy, cricket academy. I am confident of realizing this big dream. I am confident of realizing this big dream. I want to set up a school and also an academy. So this is about VVS Lakshman, children, the great cricketer we learnt, and how he shared his feelings with VV Subramaniam for the magazine Sports Star. Thank you, children.